do, but I'm very frugal. I like to shop when it's sale. I leave it, I watch it. If it's on sale and my size, yes, it's good to go. I know how to spend my money. But this is what I got on sale. I got this nice dress. It's attached. And I got it from Zara. And I've got a party to go to, so this will come in handy. But it is so nice when I tried it on. A bit difficult to get on. Hi guys. So today I traveled all over the shops looking for magazines. And I can't find any. I don't want to purchase any magazine. I don't want to print any pictures. I can't believe magazines is so scarce. Maybe I'll try again tomorrow and see how it goes, because I need to make this vision board for 2024. I just need some pictures. What's going on? Hi guys, it's another Friday. Yay! It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What I'm doing now is that I got ready. I'm going to swimming. And then my plan is later my friend's supposed to come over, because I was complaining about not getting magazines. We got some, so hopefully it works. Later we're gonna have a little get together where we do our vision board. Yeah, our vision for 2024. And oh my god, next week is gonna be my boy's birthday. He's gonna be 18. Can you believe it? I've got a 18-year-old. Oh my god, I'm gonna be a grandma soon. Nah. Anyway, I'm going to do swimming now, and you know what to do. Just hit that button. Yeah, don't worry about this hair. It got no edge control, nothing at all, because I think this week is gonna be the last of this hair. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out, and I don't know what's next. Now guys, it's time to make my vision board. I said I was gonna make it with my friend, but she can't make it, so I'm riding solo like I always do. I've got my card. I've got loads of magazines. I hope they have stuff that I want in it. If I don't complete it today, I will complete it another time. And get my vision on board. I always want to do this, so, and I've never done it, but now is the chance to do it. I'm a bit excited, so let's get into it.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
back to you.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So I finished my vision board. On my vision board, I put some affirmation: believe in yourself, worry less, smile more, do awesome things. I experience miracles daily, and say hello beautiful. I am beautiful and blessed. Good vibes only. Review and reset, because you have to do that every week. Allow myself to receive everything I desire. Happy thoughts, and I'm blessed. And it says vision board, new year, new you 2024. And it says family is everything. For me, family is everything, whether here or back home. We've got life, more blessings, my marriage to be super strong, my son to be healthy, and we all have growth. I want to eat healthier food, get a new job. I want to travel 4 different countries this year. I want an iPhone to help me do vlogging on a phone. I want to win the lottery, but before I win the lottery, I need to buy the lottery, because I've never bought a lottery ticket. And this is my YouTube channel. I need this year to reach at least 1,000 subscribers, and it's growing. Keep it up. And then I want to go back to the gym. I go swimming, but I need to just pull myself back to the gym. And my affirmation: keep standing up for me. Always stand up for me, but stand up for me more. And this is my vision board for 2024. It can have more vision on it, but I'll work with that for now. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. So now today is Saturday. I'm getting ready to go to a party. I'm undecisive what to wear because the weather is not that pretty outside. But you know, we're gonna do what we got to do. Now I'm gonna do my makeup, and then when I'm finished, I'll show you the finished look. What I did today, I went to work, and then I did a bit of shopping for an event I have coming on that I might let you in to see. Who knows? But now let me just get ready and look at my eye. I've got allergic reaction, but that ain't gonna stop me. I'm so used to it by now. So this is the finished look. What do you think? I'm not a makeup artist, but I did my best. So this is the finished look. Hi guys, so we just came in back from the party. It was amazing. It was a good gathering with friends and family, and loads of food, laughter and music. We had a good time, but now it's so late and it's bedtime, so all I've got to do is take off these makeup take off my lashes, everything, have a bath, and go straight to bed. If you reach this far watching my channel, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. So, I'm ready for bed, but I have to say, the dress that I wore to the party, I got it from Zara. It was in a vlog before, which I got it on sale. The dress is lovely, 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 lovely when you put it on. But to put it on, it was a nightmare. It it took me so long to put it on till my makeup got on it. It it was crazy to put on, but it is so lovely. And to take it off, it was stress. But guess what? It's nice. So you know what? You've got to ride through it. But now it's bedtime. On to another week. I hope you guys have a blessed week and stay blessed. Peace.